Alright, good morning, my people. Dancehall skilla here again with some more things to talk to you about. Big up and respect to each and every one. I hope that everyone alright, you see. Alright, so I got information that the police within the country of Jamaica confirmed that the person of interest in the killing of a mother and her 4 children in Clarendon, Jamaica is now in police custody. Yes, I got information that the police within the country of Jamaica confirmed that the person of interest in the killing of a mother and her 4 children in Clarendon, Jamaica is now in police custody. Yes, I got information that the person of interest had been held within Trelawney, Jamaica, viewers and subscribers, and I got more than one information as to how the person had been somehow brought into police custody. You see me? Because I got one information that the person was held as a result of a police operation. You understand? I'm not sure if it's a police joint or whatsoever. You see me? I say, but me here say it's because of a police operation. Then me get one information that either a resident or a residence spotted the person and let the police know about his location. You understand? So I'm not sure which one of these information are actually accurate, but overall, it is said that the police within the country of Jamaica confirmed that the person had been taken into police custody or that the person is in police custody. As I say, for those who want more information about this whole situation, I'm going to leave a link at the end of this video, and if you click that link will take you to another video that I did about this whole situation. You understand? I tell you, it's really sad. There are some allegations about the whole situation as to how the person had been taken into police custody. You see, yeah, a person who goes by the name of rushane Barnett was listed as a person of interest by the police within the country of Jamaica in the killing of a mother and her 4 children. It is said that he's in his 20s, and it is believed that he is a cousin of the mother who died. See it? And I also see a video about the whole situation. See it? And I could hear a person somewhat explaining what happened or how this person somehow end up in police custody. Now, it might not be word for word as to some things when I hear the person say, and it seems as if someone was asking the person certain questions, but based on some things that the person said in the video that I saw, I think it's a video, or I could say audio, but the point is that based on some things that the person said in the video that I saw, I got the understanding that the person said that is like the person wanted to hand himself over to the police, but it seems as if there was something, so basically, a mother who goes by the name of Kemisha, right, and her 4 children, age 15, age 10, age 5, and a child that is more than 10 months old, were found dead, viewers and subscribers. You understand? And that's really something that really affects me every time I talk about it. I tell you the truth, viewers and subscribers. See me? Yeah, they were all found dead. You see me? And when it comes on to the age of the little baby, there seems to be some form of mix-up about the age of the baby on social media. You see me? Because one place them say the baby 11 months old, and in another place them say that the baby are 23 months old, and so on. So I just say that the baby is more than 10 months old because I'm not exactly sure. See me? Yeah, so it said that the mother and her 4 children's body was found at their home, viewers and subscribers, and it is said that the discovery happened on Tuesday morning at their home in the Cocoa Peace community near Chapelton in Clarendon, Jamaica. A really sad situation with people. I mean, there are videos on social media that can give you understanding as to what it looked like on Tuesday morning when those bodies was discovered. It's really and truly a sad situation. You understand? You see? Yeah, so I got information that the person of interest is in police custody. I just give the information according to I got the information. Alright, so good morning again. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Until the next time, my name is Dancehall skilla. Big up on yourself, you see it.